Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rajesh and today we will study an important question based upon the missing term. It uses a trick that I shall be explaining with you. In this question we are given values of x as 45, 50, 55, 60. At that those values, value of y is given as 3.0. This is unknown 2.0 minus 2.4. So let us say this value is y0, this is y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y4. Fine. And we have to determine y1 and y3. So if I count, the functional value of y are given as y0, y2 is given, y4 is given. 3 functional values are given. Therefore, it can be a polynomial of degree at most equal to 2. At most equal to 2. Because 3 functional values are given. 3 functional values are given. Fine. So it can be of degree at most equal to 2. Therefore, by property of forward difference operator, third order forward difference operator upon function fx, say y is equal to fx, will always be 0 for all x. So firstly we take at this point is say x0, this is x1, x2, x3 and x4. At it is holding for every possible x. At point x is equal to x0, what will happen? This will be delta cube f of x0 is equal to 0. This implies that delta cube, this will be fx0 is nothing but y0 is equal to 0. So we know that. Now use the relation between delta and e. E is equal to 1 plus delta. From here delta is equal to e minus 1. Use it over here. E minus 1 cube y0 is equal to 0. This implies that e cube minus 1, open it, minus 3 e minus 1 y0. Fine. This is equal to e cube minus 1 minus 3 e square plus 3e. This is y0. Fine. So this will be e cube y0 minus y0 as such minus 3 e square y0 plus 3 e y0 equal to 0. Now upon 3 time application, you see y0 will go to y1, y2 and y3. Upon 3 time application it will go to y3. So I am going to write it here as y3 minus y2, and upon 2 times it will go to y2 minus 3 y2 plus 3 y1 equal to 0. y3 is to be determined. y0 is minus 3 y2 is 2 plus 3 y1 equal to 0. 3 y1 plus y3 is equal to 9. Name it as equation number 1. This equation is named as equation number 1. Now here is the punch. We have 2 unknowns y1 and y3, but equation is 1. So this equation cannot be solved for unique solution, because this equation will have infinitely many solution. For any arbitrary value of y3 we will have infinitely many values of y1. So it is not possible to solve this equation for unique solution, and for the unique solution we need another equation, and we know the same result, and delta cube fx is equal to 0. So now using this result at point, because we need another equation, that is why we are exploring the ways how we can obtain the second equation. So we have only this ray of hope that here something could be done, and now I'm going to explore at x point, at x is equal to x1, say in 1 it could be, say r stick, in r stick we get delta cube f of x1 is equal to 0. That means delta cube y1 equal to 0, because f of x1 is y1. Fine, and delta you know is equal to e minus 1. This will be e minus 1 cube y1, and you know how this will be opened, something like e cube minus 1 minus 3e square plus 3e y1. Fine, this will be e cube y1 minus 3e square y1 plus 3e y1 equal to 0. Now see, when you apply e 3 times upon y1, y2 upon second application, upon third application it will go. So here is e, here is e, here is e. So instead of this one I could write y4 minus y1 as such, minus 2 times 1 2, this will y3 3, y3 plus 3, and 1 time y2 equal to 0. Now use the values, it is minus 2.4, y1 is to be determined, y3 is to be determined, 3, y2 is 2. So 6 minus, it will be, these will go over there, it will be 3.6 is equal to y1 plus 3 y3. So this is equation number 2. So now we have two variables y1 and y3 to be determined, and two equations. Now these two equations can easily be solved by any method that we have studied in the lower classes, and final result after solving you will get y1 is equal to 2.925. you will solve it at your own, and y3 you will get as a 0.225. So this is the question in which we have to determine two missing terms. By using this relation we obtained only one equation in two unknowns, so we need to find another equation. For that we used x is equal to x1. This is also 0 because it is holding for all x. Third order difference is 0 everywhere at any of the point. So we explored it and we obtained the second equation, and then we solved and obtained the missing two terms. So that is important question from the examination point of view, and I hope that you will be able to understand it, and very soon I will be with you with my next video lecture. Till then, take care, bye bye, and see you soon.